Hello, and welcome to the Money and Banking Law Podcast with Joe Sylvia, brought to you by Duane Morris, an international law firm with roughly 30 offices and 1,000 lawyers all over the world. I'm your host, Joe Sylvia. I'm a former Federal Reserve lawyer who represents banks, fintechs, and financial services clients on M&A, payments, and regulatory matters at Duane Morris. I'm also a core member of our banking, fintech, and digital assets and blockchain practices. Now, while we can't provide legal, financial, investment, or tax advice on the podcast, our goal for the Money and Banking Law podcast is to inform and educate our clients and friends on both the fundamental concepts and structure of the banking ecosystem, as well as critical developments in the law and regulation of money and banking. Thanks for joining us today. As always, if you have any questions from any of our podcast episodes, please reach out to me at jsylvia@duanemorris.com. On this episode of the podcast, we're talking about Consensus Miami 2026. We're going to start with what we've co-hosted today with Merkle Science, the Merkle Meet in Miami 2026 on May 4th. May the 4th be with you. So Duane Morris and Merkle Science are hosting this event. It's going on in our offices here and in one of the spaces that we have in Miami. And we've got 150 to 200 different folks that are, most of whom are attending Consensus, which begins tomorrow, big digital asset conference. But we are hosting this event with Merkle Science, and we've got a really great agenda on tap for everyone. We've already started. There's great networking that's happening. We've got 7 of our Duane Morris lawyers from various offices on the digital asset team that are here. And we've also got people coming in from other locations, folks coming and joining us at the event and at some of the receptions and parties that we have as well that are doing all kinds of great things with the Miami office here for Duane Morris. So more to come there. But I wanted to give a quick overview of what we're talking about at the Merkle Meet, right? So we just got done with an AI and crypto threats panel, which was a really fantastic panel. I can share some of the folks that have been involved here, but some of the other sponsors, for example, are SumSub, Zero Hash, Utilia, Olympics, and Coinbacks. We have had a number of great folks here, whether it's consultants or engineers. We had one of the chief crypto engineers, the chief crypto engineer, I think, from SoFi. She was on that first panel. Our partner, Agatha Liu, from our Silicon Valley office, who's a PhD, really, really intelligent on AI and IP related matters. She moderated the panel. We also have on tap for today an overview of the Genius Act, stablecoins in fintech adoption, talking about custody, payments, and compliance issues. We've got stablecoins as a payment rail, talking about global payments issues. Later today, we've got global regulation in the crypto market, building trust and institutional adoption for stablecoins. A lot of networking breaks. And then we have stablecoins, payments, and trust. Then later in the day, we've got panels on crypto crime, tracing and proactive threat detection, and then global regulatory battleground finishes us out from until 6 o'clock tonight. And then we move over to a co-hosted reception that we're having with Merkle Science. We've got hundreds of people that are coming. We're very, very lucky that we have great spaces here in Miami and near and around the office here. So more to come there. Like I said, I'm going to try and bring a few folks over, whether they're from Duane Morris or otherwise, to chat for just a few quick minutes on what they're doing in the digital asset space, what they're looking forward to the most with today and with Consensus over this week in Miami. And we'll go from there. So until then, stay tuned. Thanks very much for listening. Please be sure to like and subscribe wherever you get your podcasts. We're doing this for you all. If you have any questions, you know where to get me, jsylvia@duanemorris.com. You can also reach out to any of your other Duane Morris lawyers, and we'll be back soon. Thanks.